We're mounting this TV on the wall. We don't have an actual TV mount, so we're going to use fender washers. I just bent the fender washers in a little bit. And then I have a piece of aluminum that aluminum channel that's on the wall. And so first I'll put the bolt through the fender washer, I'll put another couple small washers, and then I'll put the bent side down. And I'll screw it in the back of the television.
I'm just going to put it on there with these two washers.
This one isn't as far apart as the last one. Is it still gonna go on there good?
We'll figure it out. We might have to like brace the sides, but we don't want it to tip over for sure, you know?
Mm-hmm. But right now the plan is just stick it on there?
Yep, we'll see how it works from there. I found the studs in the wall. I drilled through the channel and anchored this piece. It probably cost me about $6 at the hardware store. But now I'm just going to take the television and we're going to hang it on the wall.
Wait, the things are on the bottom of it.
Oh. Am I on?
Looks like it.
Oh my gosh.